Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video we have the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus unboxing for March 2021. I will link my IPSY playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. IPSY GLAM Bag Plus is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items, and each bag retails for over $125. IPSY GLAM Bag Plus offers ultra customization, where IPSY will pick out 2 products for you, and then you choose 3 products based off the choices it gives you. The first product IPSY chose for me is the Belle in Argent palette, and this is what the palette looks like. This palette is definitely more on the cooler side for me. I am loving these purples for sure. I think I could have lived without the pressed glitter, but it looks like that there is a balance between mattes and shimmers. I'm not familiar with this brand, so let's do some swatches. This is the top row. Ooh, those shimmers are so pretty. I'm loving this shade right here. And this is the bottom row. And this is the entire palette swatched. Overall, I think that this palette swatched really nice. This was my bare arm, no concealer or primer to act as a base. And of course that these are just swatches. It's not being applied onto my eyes where it would be blended out with primer or concealer using a brush. The glitter seems promising. I don't always use glitter in my looks unless if it's super refined like this. So I kind of want to test it out because it has a very gorgeous shift. These 3 mattes swatched really, really nice. I was a little nervous how they were going to show up based off the first one. It just looks a little bit chalky, but they definitely have some good pigment in them, and I hope that they blend out really nice. It's not like the most exciting palette for someone like me because I love like those really bold, bright colors, but it does bring something a little bit more unique to my collection, not having as many cool shades like this. Not gonna lie, when I saw that IPSY chose this out for me, I was kind of like, really? But now after swatching it and seeing it in person, it definitely looks a little bit more exciting. Plus it's a new brand for me, which is also super exciting, so I can't wait to see how it performs on the eyes. Next by Pixie, this is the Phenomenal Gel. I do know that people have mixed feelings receiving Pixie in IPSY because you can't pick it up at Target, but it's on that more expensive side. Like some Pixie products, I pick it up at Target and I'm like $20. But despite the price point, I really enjoy a lot of their products. Like their Milky Mist, they have a really good duo highlighter, and I'm not sure if this product is newer or not, but it's new to me since I haven't tried as many Pixie products as I would like. This is what it looks like applied. Instantly, my hand absorbed it. It feels very lightweight. This is balancing and pH neutralizing, which is something I really never took into consideration for my face. And it's for all skin types. I am on the drier side of the spectrum, so this is something I'd probably use more in the morning as opposed to night, because I like a thicker cream at night just so that my face overnight can soak in and get all that really good hydration and smoothness. When I implement this in my routine, I definitely have to keep an eye out. Is it promoting my pores to secrete more oil? Is it breaking me out? Okay, so the first product I ultra customize with is from MOT. This is an eye brush set. One of my makeup mottos is you can never have too many brushes, and I'm always constantly cleaning them on my color switcher and giving them a deep clean. I love the pink handles, and these are really soft, and I'm not observing any shedding right now. We have an angled brush. I really enjoy brushes like these for my outer V. Miss Shady Lady. That is hilarious. Based off the shape of this brush, it would probably be one that I help diffuse my outer edges of the crease. Stand up sweep. Massive brush to apply shimmer on your lid. Crease brush. I can never have too many crease brushes. Smoky detailer. This will be nice to smoke out your lower lash line or to pack on your inner corners. Honestly, right here, this is like a good beginner starter kit eye brush set, or one that is really good for travel. I haven't tried this brand yet, but I'm excited to see how well it applies shadows on the eyes. Next by Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is the Dip Brow Gel. I was very excited to see this as one of my choice items. I haven't used this yet, and I've heard really great things. It's supposed to be a similar product like the Benefit Gimme Brow, hoping that medium brown will be dark enough for my brows. For ABH, the shade I usually use in their brow products is Ebony. This is what the applicator looks like. It looks a little bit lighter than my natural hair color, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able just to sweep it by itself, or will it be better to outline my brow shape and then sweep. That's what I usually do for the Gimme Brow. I believe that this product alone is around $25, so the way to look at it, you paid for this and everything else was free. And then lastly, by House Laboratories, this is the lipstick in the shade Burlesque. I'm genuinely curious what the tea is on House Laboratories because I don't hear anyone ever talking about them. I only tend to hear about them in my subscription boxes. This is the lipstick. Hopefully on camera you can see, but there are like stripes of glitter on it. Reminds me of like the Victoria's Secret logo. I've tried a handful of House's products. I really like their eyeliner, and their gloss is really nice. So here is their lipstick. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty red. Definitely more on that metallic side. And this is Burley swatched. I'm usually very picky when it comes to glittery metallic finishes. I really like this one. I think it's because it's like fire hydrant red color. I love shades like that. Based off the swatch, it feels like it's going to be more on the matte side, so we'll have to see how well it wears throughout the day. Overall, for my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, it's not that I received anything bad. I'm just not like overly excited about any of the products that I received, except for this ABH Dip Brow Gel. I don't know, maybe it's because we had X last month and X was so good. Really exciting products and brands that I don't know what went wrong with March. I don't want to say like we got like leftover or scrapped products, but I definitely see like a huge shift between X and Glam Bag Plus. Even add-ons, I wasn't really excited about anything, and normally I go crazy with add-ons. I just ended up just choosing my products and calling it a day. I'm hoping that April will have something a little bit more exciting, but nonetheless, I am excited to put these products in my routine and see how well they work out. I would love to know, do you guys get IPSY Glam Bag Plus? What items did IPSY choose out for you? What items did you ultra customize with? If you don't get Glam Bag Plus, do you get the normal Glam Bag? Let me know in the comments below what you got in that bag. Did you add anything on? And are you guys looking forward to April's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your review anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.